Kablay P Baro Shakatup Khubor Jungi, Kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimar kipa kongsan mentaka singi kilong. Mi Baro ban penlong ke India balat jabo. Lengba ke NIOS and Ayla deki kena bala prep school ban pule biang. Kemding KAKA upus elektrik wanra jingma eki ba. Ban sedang kalumpung penina mesin hapolo. Tementang ne pai Shaki Khubor ki bakamnya. Kesorkar Meghalaya lengba ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin kalaple ka thma ya khun persha ya ka jabo jaban kabala jer kerteng penlong ya ka India bala jabo garbage free India haka arpho tarik Nailur ha State Convention Center Umarcus and Marak menteri ketenat PHE ulalong ukongsan ban ple ka thma ya khun jabo ha ka Jylla Kajing thmu ba kongsan kani kathma kalong ban kentu ya baro kinong shong ka Jylla ban mi shamadan ban pen khoi de ka saudong saukun hakijaka shong jaka sa chungki kani kathma ya khun persha ya ka jabo jaban ka sedang nadu kani ka siple bat kut haka artarik urisau ka sni kha ba shispa san phausa je Mahatma Gandhi lasngo tho ba ka sarkar India kan bei pisa nagabanta ki jinglut jingsep ki baya dei bat kani ka kam Nailur ki saudong saukun lakan tui ki pat ba ban pen khoi ye ki telong ki wa ki badan hakishnong ki thau hakani ka snipli la download ki kendram natanat PHE ki rang ba shnong ki seng samla bat ki nong lam niam hakani kanong ba
cleanliness and hygiene at both individual and community levels. It focuses on the idea that cleanliness is not just the responsibility of the government, but of every citizen. This mission was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, with the aim of creating a cleaner and healthier environment for all of us. Swachhta Hi Seva stands as a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. It urges us to recognize the impact of our actions on the environment and encourages active participation in cleanliness drive. The emphasis is not only on removing litter and waste, but also on adopting good sanitation practices and spreading awareness about their benefits. This campaign addresses various other issues related to cleanliness, such as open defecation, waste management, recycling, and safe and clean water drinking. It aims to create a society where cleanliness becomes a way of life, not just an event or a mere formality. Swachhta Hi Seva encourages individuals to make conscious choices regarding cleanliness, and it empowers communities to take ownership of their surroundings. One of the key aspects of Swachhta Hi Seva is participation and involvement of the citizens. It promotes community engagement, while individuals come together to clean public spaces, organize awareness programs, and educate others about the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. This initiative has been successful in mobilizing people from all walks of life to actively contribute to the cleanliness drive. Swachhta Hi Seva, we can address several passing issues that our country faces, such as unclean surroundings leading to diseases, pollution of water and air, and the degradation of our rural resources. By practicing cleanliness, we not only improve our immediate environment but also contribute to the overall well-being of our nation. So cleanliness is not limited to just physical spaces as well. Swachhta Hi Seva also encourages us to promote mental and emotional cleanliness by nurturing positive attitudes, compassion, and respect for others. It reminds us that a clean mind and a spirit are essential for personal growth and societal development. Swachhta Hi Seva is a significant movement that emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in our lives. It gives us to take responsibility for our surroundings, promote a cleaner environment, and contribute to the betterment of our society as a whole. By action we take towards cleanliness is a service to our nation, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this initiative wholeheartedly and make Swachhata Hi Seva a way of life. With this few words, I...
Ka State Project Office Samagra Shiksha but ka station head jang ka Red FM South Asia FM Limited kilapan long ya ka jingpin bana pat ba hayaw mau kerwat road show hak arphau tarik Nailur ban kring ban wer ya ki khna school ki ba hakarta khatsan hadu khat khandai snam ki bala pep school no but an ailad eki ban pendep eki jingpuli hadu ka class 12 lengba ka National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS ha Meghalaya Lakhot la wer ki khana shanrang bat kan thei ki bala sange ya ki jingpuli jongki ban shem yakani ka kabu ban beteng biang ya ki jingpuli jongki hadu class 12 ka kongsi wan khar coordinator State Education Mission Authority jongka sarkar Jylla kala batai sani ya ka jingthmu ban wat ban penrung kerteng ya ki khana ki bala sange no ya ki jingpuli khamtam le ya ki tu ki ba wan ki long yeng lo sam ki ba duk bakardu ka National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS kan penbiang ye kijing hikai na kabanta chunggi ka kongsi wan khar kalaya tho hadu manta kidan arphu santli ki NIOS Study Center ha East Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills West Jante Hills Ribhoi but East Garo Hills ka State Education Mission Authority joka sarkar Meghalaya kan saple sa arphu reutli ki Study Center ha ki district ki bampat dan ki Nagabanta ki khna na kathan mau kerwat ka sarkar kala rai ban bo ya ke NIOS Study Center ha Maharam Government High Secondary School.
Kumpalo ang meneri RG Bayul dadan ginu ki khna ki ba let ban song bela shin brio shi Shillong lani ki balet ban tre shi Shillong lani ki wi ki district ha po ka Jylla jongi pila da pi ko ban pateng ki jingpuli jong pi phandan kam ban wan register shi ni chapo shnong jong pi pila ban register ai ki study center ki badan ha ki district ki ba pisa lani ki ba pitre de kabasosi kalong gawai man la kapor ni jipenlong ki ki survey na kalian jong ka office jong ka samagra shiksha ni jipenlong ka survey man la usnem ha nadu ba usdang nadu ba jankut jong benai November kum tu ter hadu benai February so bangin le ya kata ka annual work plan and budget ha ka bangin pen kre kum nungin trekam barok sisnem de ha bang le survey kadkum ki survey bang yo ki report nju duna palat ki kena ki bawan ban ki bangi ngila ban yo ling bagin ki survey kita ki kena ki bala pep school tena kata ka daw ngila penlong kam kloy no igani ka road show survey igani ka road show awareness program nang pala dadon kino ki kimi ki pa ki bakwa ban pendrung school ki ki khon jong pi la ban wan ban ai kerteng chopo ka office jong ki DMC district mission coordinator ki badan hapo district lani ki block mission office ki badan haman ki block ban ai kerteng ki khon jong pi nomor belai dan kam ban ai kerteng nomor show bangin prepare kata ka annual work plan dan kam ban yo kerteng jong wei kena knang bangin ha ban le kata ka online entry ban pendrung kerteng ki po online portal knang ba Shadel hi kin yo I bah kani ke district jong pi Southwest Khasi Hill gidan ka tangot ki kena ki badan kam ban yo jingerap badan kam ban ai ka fan nadel nani ki khor ki jong pi ba pep school lada dan menu ki bon le survey shi yeng jong pi namar gini ki bon le survey ki wan men si teng ki lawan na po office SSA lawan shi yeng jong pi tele si amdan brio yeng jong pi ki lawan amdan brio te lada dan ginu kena ki ba pep school dan myo sho kita ki information tikini ki batre ha SSA ro kinum la sho banwan yang sa sien arsian sheki yeng jong pi te bon sien ni do ya kita ki information ki badai nyem yo sho kita ki correct data kita ki jinglom jingtep ki babyang ban ai jingtep kano ki kanungot ki bakum kita ki kena ki dan kani ki district jong pi tela dadan kum kita lada hakapor ba ki le survey phim la ban wan phim la ban lab ki te phila ban wan ban ai kerteng hi ki khon jong pi chapo district mission office district mission coordinator office and is a block mission coordinator office hakaba kilaban le online entry te hadir views nam du khat saus nam chani chapo mau korwat gidan pangkum ba san pautam kita ki ba karta nrio du khat saus nam kata kat kum ka report ki bangiyo na ka DMC na ki office jong DMC te hakaliang jong secondary le te duna chapo palan te na kata ka daw ni ngim syam yo jing arab na kaliang ka napo Delhi ngim syam yo jing arab menjem senam nomor play ngim la ban provide kita ke information jong kita kena kanungud ki pakum kita kena ngim yo dina kata daw nang ka SIMAM State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya ngile kuno ni pelong khnang kum kini ki road show program dingba ka Red FM ha ka bang in yo ai jing penshai ye ki pai ba baro bakin yo jing tep le si bu na preng jing pi pim tep syapang kita ki scheme prepare ki ba ka sarkar ka pentrai kam bu na pi pim tep syapang kum no ban penrong school bang ki khon jing pi na kata ka dang i penrong i ni ki road show program man la ki district khnang ban ai jing tep ye ki pai ba baro ba kin pha bang ki khon jong ki la ne la dadan menu pa pep school bamyo cho banlet school binwan chikini ki NIOS study center dile si yo pisno tho bakla kani ka scheme kam de na ka bantai gitu ki khna ke ba let ya gitu ki regular school gitu ki school ki ba let man ka sngi kata let si dong ki school ki bolong khandai bije do lai bije ne khandai bije adu ar bije kam de kani ka scheme na bantai jong gitu ki khna lada pila ban bo school ya ki khun ki jong pi ha gitu ki school sngong phawat pen pep ya ki khun jong pi mo yo pisno tho bakla bakadan kani ka scheme NIOS lesi ki khun jong pi ke la ban let gila ban puli atas kerja kapor ngin pen pep school yo no ye kita ki khon jumpi ki balik ye kita ki school regular school kata ka dei ki baba kalamo kani ka scheme ka dei bi thik tanglang bentai ki tu ki khna ki bala pep school ki bam yo sho kalat kalenti ban let ye ki school let se ki me ki pa ki mla sho ban pha ye ki khon jumpi she school kani ka scheme ka dei bi thik na bentai jong kita ki khna
Haka step arpau tarik Nailur haka por hendriu beji men step way upos elektrik hamar pran ula kemding kensan nakadao joga jinga tengku kisai narding namar kadang de ka por step prangap badang thli ki surak bat ki breuru ki pat mi nala yeng kane ka jingja kam sham lawan ra ya kanu ka jing men saw lada ka ja haka por ba he yo klempep kan wan ra ya ka jing men saw brio Lapli perda ya ka lempung pen inam ya ka machine hamadan polo haka arpau tarik ka banne hadu arpu ar tarik Nailur kidon lai pusan teli kidukan pen inam haka ne ka lumpung menteri rangba konrat ke sangma ka kong isa wanda lalu bar ki he ki hai na kitna trekam bobonjat ka sarkar Jylla kilaya boy syaka ne ka lumpung pen inam haka ne ka sni ki machine ki ba bonjat balasna ki riu dan sap na ka ne ka than kilawan ban pen inam ya la ki kor ki bor hamadan polo
The Northeast Entrepreneurship, Machinery and Innovation Exhibition, which we are calling NIMI, is part of exercise of the government of Meghalaya to really promote the entrepreneurship culture and the entrepreneurship ecosystem in our state. And through this program, we are actually connecting different machinery manufacturers and different innovators to the local entrepreneurs and farmers so that they are able to have access to the different technologies that are available today in the market to make simple products. For example, packaging units, for example, water testing or soil testing equipments, machines that will help them produce things like napkins or chow meins or even bakery products. These are very, very small machines which can be of great use to rural entrepreneurs and to different farmers and can really help them enhance their overall productivity and increase their overall income. And in the past, our farmers and innovators and entrepreneurs did not have access to such technology, and through this program they will be able to get access. And we hope that we'll be able to do this program more often and more importantly in different parts of the state, and that's really what our objective is. So I wish the NIMI program the very best, and I urge our entrepreneurs be part of this program and be part of the overall entrepreneurship culture and program that we are promoting in our state, so that we can actually take our state forward in the economic sense and really create more jobs out of it. Thank you very much.
Uba Shillong.Do nongelam kaliang persya hagajing keranjung haging dor bar tauan haka arpho dari Nailur ulapan pau kajing benyau baki don buon ki phang bat ki lat ai jing sumare ki pat ba ki badang duna ha Meghalaya. Ula ong ba kumba kalong menta ki lat jing sumar ki kot kat kum ki jing don kam jing ki pat ba. Ula ai jing mut bat kenturu ka sarkar Jylla banwan rano ka hospital ba paka kum ka All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS ban penbiang baro kilat jing sumar ya ki pat ba ka Jylla.
Bino Sino. Sir, I have here a copy, reply of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Proposal to set up more AIMS-like institution in the country, sir. The ministry has received requests from Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tripura, Sikkim, Mizoram, Manipur for setting up AIMS-like institute in their states. Sir, here also, in reply to the Committee on Estimates, sir, of the Parliament, the committee would desire to know whether the ministry has plans to set up, has plans to upgrade RIMS or any other medical institutions in the Northeast region in view of the fact that only one AIMS in Guwahati cannot be accessible sufficient to all Northeastern states residents for specialty and super specialty treatments. So, and then you have from the PMESY guideline is to bring health treatment as close as possible to the people of the state. Sir, may I know if other states have written, why Meghalaya has not written so far to upgrade NIGRIMS to AIMS-like institutes? Because why, sir, I'm saying this? A lot of doctors, I think it's all the knowledge of all of us, a lot of doctors from NIGRIMS have left and joined AIMS Guwahati because they have better opportunities for their career, for treatment, for everything, sir. So I would request if the government, especially under the Honorable Minister now, please take this up seriously, otherwise we're going to lose good doctors here, sir. And then a lot of poor people cannot afford to get, treatment outside the state. Very few, sir, can do that. So if we can take him, because the ministry wants to upgrade these RIMS or other institutes into AIMS-like institutes, sir. So may I request the minister, sir, if this can be taken up, then of course here there is that the ministry has cited, financial constraints of setting up AIMS in each and every state in the Northeast. But so we can always argue the case that since we have NIGRIMS, we don't need so much financial involvement because we have land, we have the infrastructure readily available, maybe a little additional here and there, sir. I think we can have the apps. May I request the minister if this can be taken up?
Honorable Speaker, sir, points and suggestions indicated by the Honorable Leader of the Opposition has been noted, sir. And yes, there is a USP to the word or the nomenclature AIMS, and there is this feeling that if we have an AIMS, then we have one state-of-the-art institution in the state. But I want to also rest assure the honorable members and this august house that via this autonomous institute that has been registered for the NIGRIMS, in all probability, it will have as many facilities. It would expand shortly. You must have seen the Ayurvedic Niyas just next door. And there is going to be a state-of-the-art oncology department with very high-tech facilities for radiology and other kinds of facilities. However, since the tag AIIMS means a lot to patients in general, just to inform the Honourable Member that the former Health Minister, the Honourable Chief Minister, is well seized and informed of this matter. Honourable Chief Minister and I had a conversation yesterday where we have already said that yes, we will pursue the matter, and in fact he is just preparing a DO to the Honourable Health Minister, Government of India, to also look into the matter and see whether we can also be fortunate to have that kind of institution in the state of Meghalaya, sir.
Sir. So I'd like to thank the Minister and of course the Honourable Chief Minister also for taking this seriously. Sir, I think AIMS is not only a tax, sir. There are so many other advantages. For example, sir, financial and administrative powers, there are more powers, sir. So I think, sir, it's not only the AIMS tag. Besides, we do not have, for example, sir, departments we are lacking in this. In the endocrinology, nephrology, with dialysis unit, gastroenterology, organ transplant, plastic surgery, burns unit, pediatric surgery, medical oncology, nuclear science and NAKA, sir.
Yes.
At present, we do not have all this. If we have AIMS, we can have all this and ensure that the people of the state and of the regions get all these treatments as close as possible and then ease the financial burden, sir. So I'm happy that you have taken up with the Minister, and I trust you because, and sir, I would like to express my appreciation. In fact, I should have started with this.
Uba Gideon Karmau Plang DC East and West Khasi Hills ula play pat ba yaka book come sale exhibition balaisngi ha auditorium ka khatsau pra college mairang ha ka arpho tarek Nailur. Yakani ka yo dekot balaisngi lawan ra da ka Khasi book agency Shillong ban perslori ki samla bat ki khna pule ban phai den bat mat yaka jingbang bat jing shyam ban pule yaki kot tang yaki kot school hanre yaki kot ki ba play yaki jingmut jing perkhat ha ki ba bon ki liang bat ki phang ha ka jing embryo u Professor Bolness Nong principal ulapan pa yaka jingkmen ba kum kane kalat kala play nagabanta ki khna school ha ka ne ka shnong Kino hikai ki samla pule bat ki khana school na mairang kila tu cha kane ka lumpung. Ka jingthmu jo kane ka exhibition kalong ban island ki samla pule bat ki khana school ban thet ki kot school ha ka dor ka bajam. Ha ka jo ka por kin yoru ban thet ki kot ki ban yarap ha ki jing puli jongki. Bon ki kot pen pro jabing lawan ra ha kane ka yo.
Last year also we do organize, and it is very, very faithful. And
I just want to draw the attention of the viewers. With the cutting of this ribbon, I will declare the second book exhibition, Come Sale, open and dedicated to all the students of East and West District.
Daka jingtre shitom klem shong that ki pulit kamairang police station kilalap ksa ya urunar ubala thombo ya kalong renyeng bat pen sau jur ya kasamla lut kat ba kadang ya lenti banet school kabadon hamau kelai Ki pulit kilaya thuo ba uni urunar ula phet kerat na shnong banri shaki we bat kijaka. Ki pulit kitikna ba uni urunar ula banri bat phet jingai henry slam ngat haki shrip jongki. Kinoyalam kador bar shnong dat kla bhoi rembong haka arpau tari gu Nailur kila sukpo baniatai bat perkat kumno ban pendan kam ya ka jabo bat ka nyut kanyer ka ba mi na shnong ban ka yo kat ba baro shikata kithe hamadan kur kalang ka bala sedang shlei bat kim dan ka weipat ka jaka ban the ya ki jabo. Ka yo bhoi rembong kadan ka yo ka ba he bha ka ba pan mi ru shibun kinyut hadin balawai ka yo. Hakani ka sosan lawan ban pensyai pat ba ada usamla ban bhalang ding do nasional umpling Shillong halor kumno ban pen khoi ya ka jabo leng ba ka solid waste management kat kum ka jing start jo kani ka jog ba menta da kani ka solid waste management ya kinyut la ban pen khoi panum khta ya ka kot ka khya ki pat ba kum ju ru klem da pen tingit ya ka mai mariang bat ya ki saudong saukun uni usamla ulaong baka kunhun jong u kala pentre kam ya ka solid waste management hasnong umpling bat kalong ka ba seiso
ha ka pon ga ba pan ni sungsi ba na kaliang jong ka dorbar snong lum shopping ha ka jingkhot jong ka KHDC ha ka praterik ka jingkhot i ka long nak benta urang ba jong urang ba snong jong ka lum dai kla ba jong ka lum shopping hendrai ba sungsi ba tu basni ka don ka jing mi ba ka don ru ka jing pensyai baklah lengba rumba snong bat lengba ka lak thai Khubor ba ka tu ka jaka ka dei ka jaka jong ka lum shopping kam dei ka jaka jong lum shopping ka dei ka jaka jong lum dai kla ka ba kat kum put usam nadu Khubor ki ba larim laja kamu nadu kapor ki temen snong ki barim ki rongba snong ki barim ki bala pentri kam kat kum ki jingdon kam jongka snong de kata ngan persai lengba kene kalak thai Khubor ba katu ke jaka ke bangi pendon kam ke dehi ka jaka jong lum dai kla bat na kaliang jongka dorbar snong lum dai kla ngi da up bat da trang namar ngi dei si snong si ngidai ke juk ke snong ngidai ka hapok berembong kala don ku bai karai lembah ke central executive dorbar ba ngin ya syakmat akaban pentrekam ya kani ka skim ka lum dak kla kadang wat ki skim na ka benta ka jingdon kam ka bahakman andre ya ke jing pendon kam pat ini ya pendon kam lang andre na ka dorbar snong lum sok ping kim priang de halor kata bangila thit no da ka jaka jong lojong kabangat hapo put usam ka jongi de kala don ru ka jing ya kendu ka jonga bat urang ba snong jong lum shopping ilaya kren nga kren hang ne da ka basai ba mdei bangin ya thok ya Jylla gin ya kren ya ka ka ba ka bomla banlong kata kalong bangalay kren ngile song di sya po dukan hadin bala isong di sya na po dukan la isong na kali jongang ya lek sepo ya kendu yu video si anadi blog hapo kamera habala isong nakaliang urang ba snong lum shopping kli ngasngo ba pin ya le ya ban snai kata ka solid waste management nang ta hapo jaka dong hot kede gijing shisha ketu kopor ngidang thit ba ngidang dep tang kaprat ngimpat yo ketu gaskim na ke edisi te ndrai ni susi ba ni up ya ka ka ba ka dorbar snong lum shopping kan khot ingi namar ngala dep ong ba la dadon ka jing snowit nakaliang ka jong phi khniap soi to ong ya ka dorbar snong lum dai kla nginwan pat pensai halor ka ni ka project ka ba lum dai kla kamut ban intrikam ya ndrei kum kita ki jingkhot ngimyo ndrei ngiyo man da ka office copy ka ba kila ya shakman kani ka office copy ngala ban peniu i phiang ne ba kila ai sha ka state Meghalaya pollution board copy to rongba snong lum dak kla te hakbala haba kala poi kum kani ka jingtho nakaliang ka snong lum dak kla ngi ang ha kala ngo ken ngi kwa ban ya kren su thu jingmut da ka jing i kum si snong si thawon re ka poi kum kani ka jingtho te so ko wai pan ka don ka jing ka ba ka ordar ka bangiyo na kasim na usim jong ka himamelim bangin le ya kendu yo sim tekila ya na jirong shakli shatrai te nimla banle shu te ngi update mata ya ka ka ba na kaliang ka state pollution board kan ai ya ka rai kata ka dei na kaliang ka jongi ka Shillong lum dai kla
Shillong lum dai kla bormbom kalong da shisha kapor kabala slam ngila perkhat kumno banyo ka jaka ban recycle ban snasbo na kini kinyut kinyer ke balami na kini kayo kade ka yo ke jongi kade ka commercial center ha ka ba kini ki Shillong baro ke badon hangne po eastern ribhoi ka bakentup shadu shabodaru ki yawan yo hangne kalong ka yo ka bahe ka balalong man kasngi bat kanyut kinyer ka bami nang ne kamduna na ka arpik op ha ka shimi tena kaliang jong Shillong ngila perkhat ban thaulat ya ke ban bu ru wat ya kinong sar ya kini ka kayo handre ka jaka ban bret pade namat bang ngimyo ka jaka babyang ngila de ban shubret temporary ka harut jong kamadan ke kalang ka jaka ya le kai football bat hakaju kapor mentang ngidang don ru ya ke ban yate bat ka MCA ban pentrekam ya ka bandon ru ka cricket stadium te kalong da shisha ka jing ka ba kraw ha ka ba jing sma utung na kata ka jaka kalakta ya unong shong snong hi bar ko we de halor kata knong rim ba dor ba snong lum dai kla kalaya perkhat kumno banwat ka jaka ya ka banlong ka ba sharut jong ke snong te hadin jong kata larai ka dor bar bal IT ha ka executive committee ban thit ya ka jaka tengi layo ka jaka ban ngila thit ya kata ka jaka ha ka bang indang don ha lenti ya ka ban le ya ka kat kum kani ka juk ka bamenta scientific method ya ka ba kanom long shu kum ka jing ong ki babon balang ka de ka marten andre ka jaka ban penkela ya kitu ki nyut kinyer ki bami na ki ying ki sembat na kayo ban penya khlat ya ke balong sbo ban shna sbo bat ya ki plastik ki badon ki ar benta la benta ngin pelang lang ya ki bat ngin di ya ki sayo bat ya ketai ke balak ban shna sbo ru ka sbo bami nang ta ki khot ya ka organic manure ngila bandi sayo kata gede ke baka Shillong ka don haklenti menta ya ka ban perkhat shitom nang ne shakmat hadu lano ngila ban pelong kam ya kene ban ngidon ke jing kermen da ke jing ya trelang jong pai ba nang Shillong rengkat ke executive committee ngindala ban pen urlong rengkat ke jarap jong ka pollution control board ka bana po district council ban nak state pollution control board tangkini giktin ke bang ngidon ban pau kublesi board
Kinong yalam juga seng bhalang ribhoi Youth Developmental and Social Organization MEECL Banteno daka 132 kV power substation hanong po khnang ba ki pal ba ka them ribhoi kinyo no eka electric ka balai naka jingthod ba jinglip kha ka balakta eka kamai kaji ba ki kam ki jam ju ki pal ba kani ka than Kinong yalam jong kani ka seng ki ba kunthop ye uba kerbok malai baru ba givenson linkring kila kerpat ru ye kinong mi khmat pal ba MLA na them ribhoi banekran ber ki bor ka sarkar Jylla haying dor bar thawan halor kani ka jingdat kam jong ki pal ba
I nagaliang jong ga RBYD so I ha kani ka kerwo ka Khubor bat keju ko poro I kerpan ya ki dong di khmat badon borom jengi ki badon sangat po ban them ribhoi ka ik jengi I kerpan api halor ka sur ka jing ka ba nagaliang upai ba jong ga dong ka than jengi ulaman mantasi kata da ki peu snem I kerpan api ba pin kren apo kani ka session ka badang don menta ba pin pan po ye ni jing ka ba nagaliang jong ga dong ka than ka ba pipi mi khman ba kren sha sarkar ya kini jing jong ga dong ka than jingi habide bat kalai jing dem kam ka ba kong santam ka ba khman ka ba nagaliang jong ka them ribhoi bro we hi bidem kam ka de halor ka jing wonra no ya ka 132 kV substation ka ba dong kam kriki apo jong ka nongpo ka bade ka headquarter jong ka ribhoi district langba la ka jingdon ka jong ka son yarap ya ki jing ki ba Shillong ki substation ki badan marjan bat ka district headquarter kanam don siu ka jing thut habide bat kalai te nangta ki area ki ba ki menadon kam siu ban penpoi ya ki substation kamtam le ki don ki area ki bahadu mata ila don kam ya ka 33 kV henry hadu mata ki dang install ya ka 11 kg kum sya ki than ki western riboy ka umden area ka umsau numbri area kini ki dang penkam hadu mata ki 11 kV henry ya itu ki area la don kam ki benbu na daka 33 kV ya kum begelong mata la dang in pai sya ka western riboy i hadu mata ka kum ke jingtip ke jongi ilam ba mata ka jing petri ya ka 33 kV kadang ya kabar nado arpomer terter chadu umsong te nangta adang in pai pede ke jing kabar nangaliang ki nong tre jong MSB abang ile ikendu iki ile itu yang jing bat nangaliang ke jongi ni siap berpau sya concern minister berkumjur sya ka department ba nagaliang jingi sebut tak kena ke jingto sapi ba pintip ye jing ka ba nagaliang jong ginung tre jing pi ki ye kendo ka ba nagaliang jing kiru ke ye ut tang hadu mentah kum bang itip ba ka power supply ka won poi support na po ka wan lang ba na po ka stage 3 ka badai ka 33 kV substation ka ba kentup lang na do ka usning nangta ka jentro nangta ka 0 point kini ki substation ki bawan nang do nangte ka pun poi sa do sa nampo kadon kum basan pau kilometer ka jingjingai ha jingai ti jong ki power line ka jingi kendo ka manangal yang ki nong tre jong MSB ki bi kendo hado matahi ki lamp ba namar ba ha ka jingai ti ki habiyai lumba lagi klau ki berben bat kemjuru itu ki jaka ki subdivision ki bedan tu kilong kimpalong updated hadu matangilam ba ki don artli ki substation ki bang ki haban upgrade no nama kum begelong matangi don hapo 0 point bat umsning area hakitu ki jaka hi hadu matang kepat dan kibriu ki ba ap hang tu dah kamtam le ka porliur ka porslam nang ta ha ka pormenmet ka bencar bahaya ki ban lek pin khoj lane ban ya kana jing ka banagal yang jengki kiman hak itu ki por ka jing bah nabta jengki ban lek ki ya ka kam de lo kene ka nungrim banagal yang jingi hi andang lawat punya bahaya ke jing ya ka jing du no galai ka ba kha ha po gani temri bo jingi ka de halor kene nungrim ban ba ngidan ro ka jing se bniau ba hajing syahi ya kane ka por lain apun mi ya ka na po riboy henry hadu mata lagi peu snam ka temri bohi ka iman bat ka yai ut hadu mata ya ka jingdu lan ka ba khakha ka ba kata nya ka kamai ka gaji kamtam le ya ki khna pule ki bramdan po ka jing pule ka jongki te dei halor kini kinurem ba nagaliang jingi hi gisem ya ka jing kitkia bat ka jing kli na bata ka jing jong ka dong ka than ka jingi pan gi sebu do de jing tho ada ka department hi kam le nagaliang jingi klero pan ai da ka PIL sipo jong ka kod
Kipat ki hajar karat menso kila pendap ya kale niam be kempui haka khat khandai tarik Nailur ka baju penlong man usnem shuaban hiar shiki hali penthor kaba daka jinget ban yo ya ukhau ukaba uba met ban dap do bha ban dap bam ka yeng kasam shuaban hiar shahali penthor kaba ban thung kala don ka jingle niam chat tulu hakaba ki kerpat kerpon ya ublei trai kenrat ba un the se ya ki jingkerku Shuaban sedang ki jingle niam uyung langdo urat menso bapen ya da uba habi Januar Presiden Sein Rat menso layo iki kentin ngu blai na uke shooting bat kentin priang buram na ka isungo udoloi elaka menso ba ke merchiang u sekretari Sein Rat menso u penhun mi chen baru en shadap Vice President Sein Rat changpung bat kiwe ki riurang ba uba kamni paya chalam ubalawan kumu kongsan ula penpau ya kajing kemen ban yoi ya kidur kidar jong kipat ba kiba dap da kajing phu samrkhe hakani ka sngi ngu blai hadian kajing lang la pendap ya ka ngu kadam bat ka sut ka shor hayeng lengdo bala pendap da udoloi ulengdo bat kiwasan na ka jaka ngu blai kila mi pat ba da ka bara ya ka kempui kibala tak kerpang lengba ki ding bat se penyeng lenter lenti hadu klau blai shadu yo Kila penkhen ru ya ka scan bala penthia harut surok kum kadak ban penkhen ya ka kumpui. Pada itu Khubor la pois ka bakun tar hadu bangin de syambiang Khublai Shibun.